number 3, and our mini project for SCOA is IMDb movie rating analysis using CNN. So here we are mainly using Keras library, which is inbuilt library for deep learning and AI from Python. So here we will take reviews from users, and accordingly there will be binary categorization where whether it is a good review or bad review. For that, the trained model will be consisting of 50,000 reviews, will be trained upon 50,000 reviews, which is from Keras dataset IMDb. And for GUI, we will be using tkinter. Neural networks are used to train. These are the examples of reviews. So we have already some pre-classified reviews, for example, bad reviews and good reviews. So I will now show you the GUI of our project. So here, according to the language, the movies will be displayed. So if we select Marathi, Marathi movies are displayed. If English, the English movies are displayed. So for Spider-Man, if we give some review, so I will choose a bad review now, and I will paste it here. So on clicking on this OK button, the prediction of the review has been done. So now I will try with a good review. So when I copy here a good review, clicking on OK, it should give movie is good. So it is given. Now I will tell you what happens in the backend of the GUI. So in the backend, a tkinter library has been used. Yeah. So here is the drop down list for Hindi, Marathi, English, and accordingly the movies are displayed. So main thing that happens is the taking input of the review that happens here. So in this entry box, the movie review is taken and it is given to this predict sentiment function. So in that function, using the inbuilt function predict and predict classes, the reviews has been decided. So if the predicted class is 0, then the movie is bad, and if the predicted class is 1, then the movie is good. So now this is about this. Yes.
Yes. So here we have used libraries like Matplotlib, NumPy, and Keras. So Keras is the open source Python library used for building neural network. So and from this we have imported IMDb dataset, which we have divided into testing dataset and training dataset in the ratio of 1:1. That is 50% training dataset and 50% testing dataset. Later was we have chosen some unique words. The total number of unique words are 9,998. So these unique words are put in a dictionary. So we have given a pair to those numbers. Later, when we are taking the reviews, so we have given the average review length as 234, and the standard deviation for those is 173. So when we are going to take the review, there are, if the specific words are present in that review, we are going to label likely. Otherwise, we are going to replace it with hash. Okay. Next. So here we are going to vectorize. So in vectorize, we are going to take the review. If the review length is less than 10,000 words, so the remaining letters are replaced by 0. So in the next column, we are going to split those data set into test and train. So here model.add. While we are looking for the parameters of those, we are having layers.dense. So here the dense function is used to connect all the units of first layer to perfectly with the units of second layer. Here the 50 represent total number of units. We have used the activation function as ReLU, and the input size is 10,000. So next is model.add layer.dropout. So here dropout function is used to prevent overfitting. The overfitting rate must be within 20 to 50%. So if we are going to take the layer.dropout 0.3, so here 30% dropout rate we have taken. At the last layer.dense in bracket 1 and activation function is sigmoid. So 1 represent the output layer, and here we have used sigmoid function just because we want the output should be 0 to 1. Okay, next in model.compile we are going to configure model for training, and later was we are in model.fit we are data. Okay. Next
Next,
Dipti will explain.
next, Dipal, next. Here the preparing string function, we have passed two parameters, text string and dimension, where text string is the review given by the user, and we don't want the punctuation mark, so with the help of from keys string dot punctuation, or the punctuation mark will be removed, and only the string data will be stored in a table form, which is done by translate table. Then the each word will be assigned to a index value with the help of word to index function, which is used. Then each word will be replaced with the index value and stored in a vector. Then here print original string. There each string will be displayed in a vector form, and then index conversion, the index value will be shown, and then the convert to vectors. This the results will be stored in the vector form. Then here next review equal to first of, this is not a var frame, this is the review given by the user. So it will print predict function will give the average value, the predicted value of the this review, and if the value fits in good category, so the predict class will be displayed as 1, and the output will be given as movie is good. If the average value is below uh, sorry, the predict value is 0.552, so the predict class will be given as 0, and the output will be that the movie is bad.